A very good afternoon to all of you. Have a nice and safe day to you, all my viewers. Okay, today we are going to discuss about a short topic, that is the general characteristic of phylum Protozoa. In another video, we will discuss about the classification. Okay, so first come to Protozoa. What do you mean by Protozoa? The word Protozoa derived from two words, that is proto means first and zoa means animal. These are the first primitive animals created in the environment. Okay, this phylum Protozoa was first created by Goldfuss in 1822 created this phylum. The protozoans are regarded as the first animal. Those do not have organ, do not have tissue in their bodies. So these are primitive among all the phylums, and these are mostly unicellular eukaryotic type. Unicellular eukaryotic individual. These have single cell with nucleus. We have to discuss about this phylum. First come to its habitat. These are microscopic individuals. If we go for the habitat, these are microscopic, okay, and aquatic individual, both freshwater, marine water, and some of them are also parasitic in nature. It consists of about 50,000 species are found. 50,000 species of protozoa are till now discovered. Okay, the simplest body structure is found in them and regarded as lowest group of the phylum. Okay, so the first habitat is this aquatic, freshwater, marine, or it may be parasitic. Any type of aquatic habitat are found. Some of the protozoa are also found in damp places. Damp places also another habitat for them. Okay, most of them are solitary, while some are colonial. Solitary in their habitat, and some of them produces colony. These are either solitary or colonial individual. These are very small in structure. These are very small. Habitat here shape size. We have to remember through this format. Very small in structure, and it occupy 1/6 to 1/10th part of RBC. That means these are even smaller than RBC. Okay, we have already discussed that these are smallest and simplest individual. This became the shape size. Then come to structure of protozoa. The detail can be viewed under microscopy. The body shows bilateral, radial, or spherical symmetry. Bilateral symmetry, or it may shows radial, or it may be spherical. All type of symmetry found in it. Okay, body is externally covered by plasma membrane present above it, plasma membrane, or sometimes pellicle or sometimes exoskeleton. Pellicle or sometimes exoskeleton. These are the different covering of the body. This shape is usually constant. Okay, the shape of it is usually constant. Sometimes it changes with respect to environment, constant, and sometimes changes like amoeba. The shape can change. Amoeba, these are spherical. When they started their movement, they develop pseudopodia, or sometimes changes with environment. Okay, so this is the basic. Then come to the process of locomotion. Okay, if we calculate the locomotion, it is found that it takes place with the help of cilia, flagella, pseudopodia, or sometimes the vibration of protoplasm also help in propelling movement of the individual. Okay, the cilia and flagella shows 9+2 arrangement. It is seen in it. Okay, myofibrillar arrangement. Then come to nutrition. If we find the nutrition, it is found that these are heterotrophic in nature. Some are parasitic or saprophytic. So all type of nutrition, heterotrophic, then some may be parasitic, some may be saprophytic in nature. Okay, these are nutrition. So some of the individuals shows more than one method called as mixotrophic nature. There is no specific excretory system and respiratory system. No specific organ for respiration and excretion. Okay, no specific organ in its body. The digestion takes place inside food vacuole. Digestion is intracellular type, as it takes place inside the food vacuole. Okay, the respiration takes place by body surface help in respiration, elimination of waste. Sometimes contractile vacuole help in excretion. Okay, so these are the various type of processes conducted by body. Then finally we will discuss about reproduction. The reproduction takes place by asexual method or sexual method. Asexual method consists of binary fission, multiple fission. The sexual reproduction takes place by conjugation. Body is not divided into, suppose this is the body, this is not differentiated into somatoplasm and germplasm. There is no differentiation of body, somatoplasm and germplasm. Okay, sometimes it shows alternation of generation. That means asexual to sexual, and sexual to asexual is similar. Okay. The special features of Protozoa phylum. What are the specialities? Unicellular body is unicellular, having two or more nucleus. Suppose we will take the example of Paramecium. There are two nucleus, micro and macronucleus. We will take the example of Paramecium aurelia. There are three nucleus. More than two or more nucleus are found. Okay. These animals give their response to various stimuli. Even if these are unicellular, they respond to stimuli which indicate the beginning of nervous system. Okay. Infraciliary system, neuromotor system carry out a response of stimuli. Okay. Microconjugant and macroconjugants are found during conjugation. Okay. So this is the beginning of sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism, because the microconjugants are male, macro are female. Just sexual dimorphism is seen from this. Okay. So this is all about the detailed characteristic of phylum Protozoa. Okay. We'll discuss the classification in the next video. Okay. Thank you.